Hey guys, Cooper here, Diesel Power Products, and we're in the warehouse today with PPE. They made the trip up to check out our operation. What do you got here? Stainless steel piece. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, so this we have available for all you 6.6 Duramax guys. This is going to be your upgrade that goes from your oil cooler up to your thermostat housing, and this fits all 2001 to 2000 and actually current 2025 vehicles out there. They use the same design on all the 6.6s. So.
And what was your motivation for this piece?
Our main motivation behind this piece is they're hard to get from factory, so we decided to make a good quality upgrade that we can have in stock for you guys, readily available, ready to ship, compared to where you might be on back order from the manufacturer, the OEM manufacturer, for a while.
And is the factory piece as high a quality stainless steel?
The factory piece is actually just made out of your regular mill steel out there, so it's nothing special, which causes cavitation and other issues with the cooling system if you're running too much water or straight water. So this is a great upgrade because it's not going to cavitate or have any issues if you're running water in your system.
Perfect. If you have any questions on this piece or want to get one for your truck, check the link in the description or visit the website, dieselpowerproducts.com.